Welcome back everybody. So guys, in this class what I'm just going to teach you about the else also. We just learned about the if. The if also has another part of the else, and what the else can do, the result when we just don't get the if's data, or when there is some kind of problem in the comparison or in the conditional statement. So the else will run. I'm just going to show you in a practical way. I'm going to create some variables. For example, I'm just creating the var1, and the value for the var1 I'm just creating as 7, and now the var2, and I'm just putting as the 4. Okay, great. Now here I'm just telling if the var1 is equal to var2, then okay, otherwise no. But if they both are equal, then this echo should run, or actually this block, this code of block will run. So what I'm just typing here, the first statement is true. If I just save and go to the browser back, and let's just check that out, localhost / the learn PHP, press enter, and now this is the file. Yeah, but nothing happens because you know that the statement is not true. If I just make this that not true, so refresh, now I'm getting the first statement is true, or actually I didn't mean that not true. The mean is if they are not equal to. So by the way, we just got the result, that means it's working. But what if I just ask for the comparison operator, the equal to operator? So now there is another thing we can apply. Just after the code block, the curly brace of the else, if I can apply the else. Now the else has no conditional area or the conditional statement or the parentheses. Just go inside the curly braces and put another echo or another area and put the content. The first statement is false. Here I'm gonna add the br. Now I'm gonna refresh the page. I just need to go to the browser, save and go to the browser and refresh the page. So now you can see that the first statement is false. So basically, when this statement or this conditional area goes wrong, goes false, and this won't show. Exactly, when it goes false, then it won't show. So then this will run. Now something more I just want to clear you, that there is no way to show both of them, the if and the else. Only one can be shown, the if or the else. That's clear. Let's just create some more. For example, I'm just making a little more, another if, and here I'm just typing var1 greater than var2. So now something more I just want to clear you before making this one. Why not I just teach you in a perfect way. When you know that, you just need to add the else block also, not only the if block. So first if, the parentheses, oh come on, the parentheses, the curly braces, and then just after the curly braces put the else. Okay, before putting the values, you know that you have to add the else when you have idea about that. So just put the else and then the curly braces. The else has no parentheses, don't forget that. So by the way, this is the syntax, the simple syntax of the if and else, and please create the syntax first, then go to the conditional statement and put this statement. The var1, if the var1 is greater than the var2, then this block will run. Okay, now press enter here, and you can add another enter if you just want. I'm just echoing something. I'm just typing here the second statement is true. Save, and then otherwise just go to the here, the curly braces of the else, echo the second statement is false. This should not be then, this should be the. Okay, great. Now go to the browser and refresh the page. So now I'm getting the second statement is false also. What I'm just telling here, I'm just telling, oh, you know that the var2 is equal to var2. Sorry about that, the var2 can't be bigger than var2 because they both are same. I'm just typing here the 1. So save, and now the var1 is actually bigger than the var2. So refresh the page. So now you can see that the second statement is true for now. Actually it's not making true or false, it's actually showing this one statement or that one. I can type here the second statement is false, So it will show like false. You can see the false, but I know that this is true, but I just changed the text, and text doesn't matter, or the string doesn't matter in the programming. So this is what I just want to teach you about the if and else. Let's just go to learn some more. You know that now our computer can take decisions, our program can take decisions. First of all, make some comparisons, add a condition, and according to the condition show the block. Now the decision is, if this won't work, then this else. Computer have two choices, not a single one, but I can make another choices. Go down, and I'm just going to teach you about another one. If, else, and else if. Now let's just press enter and the if, and here the var1, and I'm just typing if the var1 is less than var2. If the var1 is less than var2, but I just forgot to put the else, which is really necessary, so let's just put the else. And here basically I just want to teach you about the else if. Make some more decisions, so I'm just deleting that one. In fact, I'm just deleting all them and just making this again the if. Now just after the if we have to put the else if. Then now one thing more, I just want to clear that else if has a condition. So now this program, the new program I'm creating from the line number 28, will have two conditions. Okay, if the first condition will go down, then instead of going directly to the else, it will read the second condition. Otherwise it will go to the third one. Okay, so I should change something from there. This should be else if, and the last one else. Always remember that else must be on last. And now the other thing is, we can as much as else if we want. Okay, so go there. Now else if has its own parentheses and the curly braces, and then the else. We still have choice to not put the else if you just don't want, but we want that. I'm going there, and I'm just typing if the var1 less than var2. Now what I'm just telling that if the var1 is less than var2, then this block will run. Okay, let's just go to this block, and I'm just echoing something. I'm echoing the third statement is true. Okay, fine. But for example, if you just have doubts, or it can be possible that the first block can be wrong, or the first block's condition, so I'm just going to the second block's condition, the else if condition. If the var1 is less than or equal to var2, and there, why not I do another thing. I'm just pressing enter, and then the var3 and equal to 7. So I'm just comparing the var3 and the var3 again. What I'm just telling that if the var1 is less than var3, var1 is less than var3, so exactly they both are same. The var1 and var3 has same value, so this is exactly the false. This statement gonna false. Now in the second one, I'm just telling that okay, I understood that the first one is wrong, but what if the var1 is equal to or less than var3? Exactly, it's equal to var3, so this block will run in a browser, will execute in a browser. Let's just put the third statement, now the APOS, third statements, second if, or the third statement's first else if is true, else if condition is true. Let's go to the third one, and here I'm just adding another echo, and the third statement is false. Great. Save, and I'm gonna go to the browser and refresh the page. So now you can see the parsing error, something wrong, the unexpected if in where the unexpected on line number 11. Where is line number 11? There is it. So okay, I didn't put the semicolon. That's perfect. Save and go to the browser back and refresh the page. So now The first statement is false, the second statement is true, the third statement, first if else if condition is true. Exactly, this one is true, so I'm getting that one. But why not I just put the the BR, which is really necessary. The BR, the way it's important, in every line or the every echo, I'm just applying that. Refresh the page now. You can see that the third statement's first else if condition is true. What is this? Again, I'm just clearing that. Something more I just want to clear you again. I just cleared already that only one statement or only one statement from all them, however you put thousand of else ifs, only one will run or execute, not all of them, or 2 or 3, whatever. Now the final thing is I'm gonna make another one, or I think I should make that in the next class. I'll teach you to make a complete application by using the if else, or I'll just teach you about the nested else if else in the next class. So stay tuned and goodbye.